Valentine Goddard sees the potential for artificial intelligence. The founder of AI Impact has seen its benefit in conventional areas like healthcare and education.
I didn't see it being accessible necessarily to the organizations that work towards those purposes and missions. So we created this alliance to pull together experts and make those tools more accessible.
Workshops are being held in every province and territory, most recently in Saskatoon. Most of the participants aren't scientists and are artists. It's not just an opportunity for AI Impact Alliance to teach about AI, it's also a chance to develop a fresh perspective.
If artists aren't engaging in this huge topic, then a lot of voices won't be heard that might inform a more ethical and a more human approach to rolling out this technology.
Although there are many opportunities in AI, it also poses risks, such as issues around surveillance and privacy. At the end of the workshops, AI Impact Alliance expects to have a better idea of people's concerns. It will publish its findings next year.
Art can help shape the policies around AI by informing the dialogue and the understanding of the different implications.
The last workshop will be held in Montreal in April 2020. Mandy Voke, Global News.